Hey foodies, ready to take a delicious trip to the Big Easy? Today, we're diving into the best street food New Orleans has to offer. From the French Quarter to the Treme, we're on a mission to find the most mouth-watering, soul-satisfying treats this city has to offer. New Orleans is a city that lives and breathes food. It's a melting pot of cultures, and that's reflected in the incredible diversity of its street food scene. Let's get started. First up, we're kicking things off with a New Orleans icon, the mighty beignet. Imagine this, a piping hot, deep-fried piece of dough so light and airy it practically melts in your mouth, dusted with powdered sugar. You can't talk about beignets in New Orleans without mentioning the legendary Café du Monde, serving these treats since 1862. The key to a perfect beignet experience is to embrace the mess. One bite, and you'll understand why they're a New Orleans institution. So, if you find yourself wandering the French Quarter, grab a plate of beignets and a cup of chicory coffee at Café du Monde. Next up on our culinary journey, we're sinking our teeth into another New Orleans staple, the mighty po' boy. This isn't your average sandwich. It's a symphony of flavors and textures inside a crusty French bread loaf. Fillings range from crispy fried shrimp and oysters to juicy roast beef and smoky sausage, each bite an explosion of flavor. Every New Orleanian has their favorite po' boy spot, and the debates can get heated. So come hungry, my friends, and get ready to experience the magic of a New Orleans po' boy. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to dive into a dish that screams New Orleans crawfish étouffée. This is a rich, decadent, flavor-packed journey straight to the heart of Cajun country. Imagine tender, juicy crawfish tails bathed in a creamy, spicy sauce, served over fluffy white rice. Each bite is a symphony of flavors: sweetness of the crawfish, heat of the cayenne pepper, richness of the butter and cream. Making a good étouffée is a labor of love, but it's worth every bit of effort. If you're looking for a true taste of Louisiana, look no further than a steaming bowl of crawfish étouffée. Get ready to spice things up because we're about to dive into a dish that's as bold and vibrant as the city itself, jambalaya. This is a culinary fiesta in a bowl, a celebration of flavor that will have your taste buds singing. A smoky, savory blend of rice, meat, and vegetables all cooked together in a single pot until they're practically melting in your mouth. Whether you prefer yours Creole style with tomatoes or Cajun style without, one thing's for sure: jambalaya is a dish that's meant to be shared. So, gather your friends, grab a spoon, and get ready to dig into a taste of New Orleans that will have you shouting "Laissez les bon temps rouler." Last but not least, we're finishing our culinary adventure with a true New Orleans original, the muffaletta. This is a behemoth of flavor, a towering testament to the city's Italian heritage. A crusty, sesame seed-studded loaf of bread, piled high with layers of Italian meats, cheeses, and a tangy, briny olive salad. The key to a perfect muffaletta lies in the balance of flavors: salty meats, creamy cheeses, and the bright punch of the olive salad. If you're looking for a sandwich that's truly unforgettable, look no further than the muffaletta. That's it for our tasty tour of New Orleans street food. From the powdered sugar bliss of beignets to the flavor-packed punch of a muffaletta, we've barely scratched the surface of what this incredible city has to offer. New Orleans is a foodie paradise, a place where every corner holds a new culinary adventure waiting to be discovered. So, the next time you find yourself wandering the streets of the Big Easy, be sure to come hungry. Let the aromas guide you, embrace the energy of the city, and most importantly, don't be afraid to try something new. Which one of these New Orleans treats are you dying to try? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more foodie adventures.